Brandon, it's great to talk to you again. How are you doing?
I'm doing all right. How are you?
Not bad. Now, I know it's been a while since our last dev update, but I know that you've been busy and there's a lot to cover, so let's dive in.
Awesome. So the developers have been extremely busy working on two different things. The first of which that I'm going to talk about is the Discreet virtual machine. So this is something that we've been excited to work on since day one. This is something we talked a lot about early on in the project, and something that we're really excited that's coming together, that we're actually working on directly. And essentially, one of the big things that we're trying to do with it is, first of all, make it much more optimized and efficient as a state machine, and or technically a state transition machine, and also make it backwards compatible with Ethereum. So you could basically take the bytecode and contract application interface with an Ethereum contract and plug it directly into Discreet and have it work just like that. So the structure of that network is going to be very similar to Ethereum. One of the major differences is we will actually be extending the opcodes of Ethereum to support all the privacy features that we need. So all these generic structures for privacy that will enable our private smart contracts and much more. So we've been really busy on that, and we're really excited to see where it goes.
So when can we expect to see the DVM then?
It's still in development and probably will be for a while because we are implementing it in a novel environment. It will probably be a while until we have any major news on integration with the rest of the network. Another team has actually been working on the networking, so the actual peer-to-peer networking for our main Discreet network. And I'm actually really excited to talk about that.
Yeah.
So basically, what's going on with that is we've figured out exactly the topology of the network that we'll be supporting, and we have a lot of the primitives of the network implemented. In fact, actually, we have it stable enough that we've been able to do cross-network tests. So we've been actually able to set up nodes and test those nodes over the internet, and it seems to be working, and we're really excited about that. That actually means that we're ready to start doing integration with the coin logic. So we talked a lot about the coin logic on previous updates, these dev updates. Essentially what that means is that we will be creating a series of functions that allow us to essentially do all of the networking with the coin logic. And once that's integrated, that's it. That's the main Discreet network. And we'll be able to move towards testnet and actually have a fully functioning wallet and layer one.
Wow, that'll be exciting.
Yeah.
Do you have any updates outside of programming?
We do. So in terms of the business side of things, we've actually gotten the trademark for Discreet in the EU for software.
Well, that's exciting. So what does that mean for us?
That means that we'll have stronger branding protection. And in addition to that, it'll allow us to do a lot more for marketing.
We've been reading in Telegram that testnet is almost ready, and there's going to be a sign-up process for people who are interested in participating. Can you tell me a bit about that?
Yeah, so we'll be actually having a page on our website soon where people will be able to integrate their MetaMask and through a proof of funds actually participate in testnet and be put on the sign-up sheet, and they'll actually receive through the mailing list the actual node software to participate in testnet. And that will actually entail coming with the wallet, and you'll actually have test Discreet that you'll be able to send around.
Why is that testnet so important?
Basically, that allow us to collect, very, very important information regarding network stability, among other things. Essentially, that allow us to build the network even stronger. So again, it's very important that we test this stuff before we actually release the public testnet. Yeah, basically, people will be able to directly contribute to Discreet like that.
That's awesome. That'll be very exciting. I know the Discreet roadmap is getting updated. What can you tell us about that?
So we do need to update it because currently we haven't checked off a lot of the stuff that we finished in Q4. Basically, we'll be actually coming out with an updated version of the roadmap soon in the next few weeks. And once that's up on the website, you'll be able to keep track of our development progress in a much easier way and more informative way than what we've had before. So we're working hard on that right now. And we're very excited that all of this stuff is coming together and that we'll be able to talk about it more. Again, it's been a while since we put out a developer update.
Yeah, no, it's very exciting. Well, thanks, Brandon. Appreciate your update, and look forward to talking to you again soon.
Awesome. Same.